we're doing here is making sure the gas pressure is sufficient. So this unit wants to be between 3.5 and 10.5 inches of water column. It's just a measurement of how much gas is actually flowing through the line. We'd want 2 pounds on the main line, and then that will give the tankless enough gas to function. However, since you want to be between 3.5 and 10.5, 2 pounds is going to be too much for it, so you have to put in a regulator to reduce the pressure after that meter is upgraded, and that way it'll stay within that range. Basically, if you were to floor a car on the highway, you want to make sure you have enough gas in the tank to do that. This is basically assuring you will always have enough gas in the tank if this unit turns all the way on. I've got 3 faucets open right now. When the unit kicks on, it's going to use some gas, so you'll see this number drop. So I got the water off and the faucet's open, so now we're going to turn the water on. And you'll see that pressure start to drop. So it kicks into high, and you can see we had about, that was probably about 2.5 inches of pressure drop, I think I caught that right. We're doing 3.5 gallons per minute. This unit should do, I believe, 7.5. So if we were to use all 7, we wouldn't have enough pressure. So that is why we need that gas valve, or gas meter, upgraded to a 2-pound system, so that number stays within the correct range.